back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from the Trunk Club box. Before I get into that, please follow me on all my social medias and don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. And let's get into this video. So the first clothing pieces that I got is a skirt and a jacket from Topshop, and I got these boots from Dolce Vita, but I'll talk about those in a little bit. So the skirt and the jacket from Topshop is a snake print, and it also has a denim type of feel, which felt very lightweight and very comfortable, but I'm not really into snake print, so I didn't keep either of these items. And for the boots, I did like how they were white. It's something different, but these boots were very uncomfortable to wear. They was pretty tight on me. They were pretty tight to the point where I couldn't even zip them up in the back, and they were uncomfortable to walk in, so I didn't keep these boots as well. So the next clothing item that I got is from Reformation, and it's this blush pink dress, and I really like the color of this dress. I also liked the ruffles at the top, and it showed off my figure very nicely. It is pretty short, and also the straps were pretty hard to adjust to as well. Overall, I didn't keep this dress just because I didn't fall in love with it. I just really liked it a lot, and I don't really see myself wearing this dress all the time. So the next clothing item that I got is also from Reformation, and it's this polka dot wrapped dress. And I'm not a really big polka dot person. Like, polka dots is my least favorite pattern, but when I saw this dress, I absolutely fell in love with it just because the polka dots were very subtle, and I really like the ruffles at the end of the dress, and it also comes up to where it wrapped. It also has a little cutout in the back, which was very cute, and overall I just absolutely love this dress, so of course I kept it. So the next two clothing items that I got is from Topshop and from Reformation. So from Topshop, I got this striped tube top, and I absolutely love tube tops, and I love the colors on this tube top. It looked very nice, very fall inspired, so I kept it. So the jeans from Reformation, I forgot what type of style this was. I think it was like a mom type of style, but it was very loose, which I liked, but it was also very uncomfortable for me to walk in, so that was the reason why I didn't keep these pants. The next clothing item that I got is from Topshop, and it's this black wrapped shirt, and I like the material that this was made out of, but it was pretty difficult for me to wrap it because it has 3 strings on the inside, and one of the strings were dangling off on the side of me, which was not cute. I also don't like the length of the sleeves. The sleeves were kind of like an awkward length on me. I kind of wish it was either short sleeves or either long sleeves, so I did not keep this clothing item. So the next item that I got is from Tiger Mist, and it's this beige long sleeve crop top turtleneck, and this material was very tight on me. I think it's very similar to spandex type of material, and it was very hard for me to fit my forehead in the neck hole, and I also don't like how the neck looks very wide. Other than that, it was very cute, but the material, it feels weird. It was very hard for me to get my head through, so I didn't keep it. So the next two clothing items that I got is from Tiger Mist and also from Topshop. From Tiger Mist, I got this striped bodysuit, and this bodysuit was very tight on me. This was extra small, and it was very hard for me to fit my body in this, okay? So I would have exchanged this for a bigger size, but they didn't have a bigger size, so I didn't keep it. And then from Topshop, I got this cute snake print and black purse, and I'm not into snake print, but when I saw this, I absolutely loved it just because it looked like a high-end purse for a low-end price, so I kept it. And the last clothing item that I got is from Tiger Mist, and it's this faux fur beige jacket, and the jacket was so cute and the fur was very soft, but I have a ton of jackets that are in my closet right now that I don't really wear as often. I didn't want to add this jacket to my closet and end up not wearing it as often, so I didn't keep it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. It's so high.